Now children, our next topic is types of blocks. Now we will discuss different types of blocks. Blocks are used to program a sprite in Scratch. Now as you all know, the blocks are used to give the instructions to program a sprite in Scratch. There are 10 categories of color coded block drawers and 6 block shapes we get in Scratch programming. Now underline this, these are two different things. Okay. We have 10 categories of color coded blocks, means these are color coded blocks. We have 10, but inside these 10 we have 6 block shapes. Okay, we have 6 block shapes that we get in Scratch programming. All these jointly create a program. All these, when these different block shapes combine, they form a program. Now we come to the next page, and here we'll discuss all 6 types of block shapes one by one. First one is hat block. Now you can see this is the hat block. Now this block is used to start a script. Whenever you are writing your script, you're starting with the script, you will always start with this hat block. Now you can see here that the shape of this block is in the shape of hat. That's why the name is given hat block. It has a notch on the bottom of the shape so that other blocks can be placed below it, not above it. Now you can see here that here this is the notch given below, not at the top, because this is at the starting. So no other block will come at the top. All the other blocks will come below this. Okay. This will always be the first one. There are 11 hat blocks in Scratch. We have 11 such type of blocks in Scratch. Now where you will find this? We will see here. You can see here in events. You can see we have this. This is the first one. The shape is just like hat. Okay. Then second one we have is stack block. This block, you can see this is the stack block. This block has a notch on the both sides, top and bottom. Now you can see here it has a notch here also and here also, so that it can fit two other blocks, and top also the other blocks can fit into this. So this can come in between. That means more blocks can be added above and below this block. Fine. Now there are 77 stack blocks in Scratch. There are 77 such blocks in Scratch. Now we'll see, I'll show you where it is. You can see here so many stack blocks are shown here. Okay, you can see so many are there. Okay, so you need to learn these. Okay, learn these numbers, that how many stack blocks are there, how many hat blocks are there, and what is the shape, when it is used, everything is given here. The next is Boolean block. This block is used to put conditional logic in program. Okay, now you can see this is the Boolean block. In this it is used to put conditional logic like greater than, smaller than, is equals to. So its resultant value is either yes or no, true or false. In this you will get the answer either yes or no or true or false. Okay, like two numbers are given. Which one is, this one is greater, yes, this one is greater, no. Or instead of yes, you will get true also. Instead of no, you can get false also. So either yes or no or true or false. So in Scratch, we have 13 such blocks. Okay, we have 13 such blocks. Now where are these? You will find this type of blocks in operator category. Now you can see here greater than, lesser than, greater than, equal to, and more we have. Okay. Now next we have reporter block. Now this type is for the reporter block. Now here it is given square root of 9. So these are helping you in numeric values. This block can hold string or numeric values and variables. Means this block is used for the either for string or for numeric values. Scratch has 37 such blocks. These blocks have rounded edges. Now you can see here in this both it has the pointed edges and it has rounded edges. And we have 37 such blocks. Reporter blocks we have 37 in number. So you can see here with rounded edges, green color, these are the reporter blocks, where you can either pick random number from, you can write the range here, or plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are numeric. Now for string, string means a collection or collection of alphabets, or you can say more than one alphabet makes a string. So like join, hello word. So this hello word, whatever you will write here will join. So these are length of word, means whatever word you will write here, it will tell you the number of alphabets in that, means length of the word. So we'll see more further in this chapter. So these are string reporter blocks which are giving the string values. Okay. Then next is C block. This block is used for looping. Now you can see here, this you can find in control block. You can see, means if you want to repeat any number of statements, any number of instructions 10 times or how many number of times, so you can place those instructions in between this. So those instructions will repeat that number of times, whatever number you write here, or if you put here, so it will repeat forever, means till the time you click the stop button, it will keep on repeating. So that's why keeping on repeating the same number of steps again and again is known as looping. So these blocks, C block, you can see the shape here. The shape is just like C. Okay, so that's why the name is given C block. Now these are also called as wrapping blocks. Okay, these blocks are in C shape and present in the category control. Now next we have cap block. Okay, now cap block you can see here is also in the same category, control category. You can see this is the cap block. This block, sorry, this block is used to end the script. Like hat block, which is given in the events category, is used for starting the script. Similarly, in the control category, this block, cap block, this is known as the cap block. It is used to stop the script, to end the script. Okay. Now you can see this block has a notch at the top and from bottom. Please, this is not from, this is from, right here from. Bottom side it's smooth, so no block can be added below this block. Now you can see in this block the notch is given at the top, so that because it is at the end, no block can come below it because it will be the last one. So it has the notch at the top, that all other blocks should be added above it, not below it. Okay, so these are 6 block shapes that we have discussed. You can read till here today, and those who don't have Scratch in their laptops or computers, please download Scratch from internet. You can download it. Okay, search on the Google Scratch to offline editor, free download. Search this and you can download it in your laptop or computer. Okay, if you have any problem, just let me know. Thank you.